We have some updates in our app, but the live extension has not been available for using yet. In the meantime, please install the local extension to keep using all features in app. We prepare an article with detailed instructions on how to install the local extension. First, download the local extension file provided in our article. Second, double-click to extract the zipped file. Third, open your Chrome Extension Management.
Turn on the developer mode.
Choose Load Unpacked, and upload the extracted file. Turn off other extension of Ali reviews when you are using this local extension.